What's going on, guys? So today we're checking out the ROCCAT Burst Pro. Now this is a wired gaming mouse that is designed to be lightweight, and I've been looking for an upgrade, maybe not an upgrade, but not really a downgrade, just kind of a straight across. I was looking for something a little bit more simplistic from what I'm currently using and a little bit lighter weight. So with that said, let's check it out. Now, first off, the ROCCAT Burst Pro is designed for serious gamers. The heart of this mouse lies in its Titan Switch Optical technology, which is faster than any mechanical switch you'd come across. Now, they claim that this has a 100 million click life cycle, which is pretty impressive. Now, when it comes to gaming, especially FPS gaming like I do, tracking is paramount, and the Burst Pro boasts the OWL-EYE 19K DPI optical sensor, which promises smooth precision tracking, giving you a competitive edge in every millisecond counts. I'm an Apex Legends player personally, and so, you know, we need that ability to move around quickly, make quick adjustments, things like that, and I'm hoping that this mouse is going to be able to do the job. So now let's talk about design, because to be honest with you, that is one of the main reasons why I got this mouse. The ROCCAT BIONIC Shell is not just about aesthetics, though it does look sleek with its Honeycomb shell, but it is designed specifically for efficiency, making the Burst Pro a lightweight champion at 68 grams. Now, the shell also has their AIMO illumination built in, which is, by the way, produces really nice lighting with 16.8 million colors right out of the box. Now, I actually have a keyboard from ROCCAT that also has that lighting, so I'm really looking to kind of merge that kind of color scheme and be able to do the combination, make my gaming setup look really slick. So that was not one of the main reasons why I got it, but that's why I'm sticking inside the ROCCAT family, and it just so happened that they had a mouse that I was interested in as well, so it was a win-win. Now, one of the reasons why I got this one in particular, and a lot of people are probably going to be asking why I went with a wired mouse, I'm just a wired mouse kind of guy. I've had wireless in the past, didn't like the whole recharging, battery swapping, wireless connectivity thing. I want a wired mouse, and that's specifically why I got this. They actually make a model of this specific mouse in a wireless version, and I picked the wireless. Yes, call me weird, it's just something I can't get past. But the reason why I got this one, there's actually a very specific reason why I got this one, and let me tell you about that. Now, they say that it's wired but almost feels wireless, and that is thanks to the PHANTOMFLEX cable. Now, it's a flexible, pliable, and lightweight cable that honestly, once I got this thing plugged in and started using it, didn't even notice it. It was very fluid. It didn't get hung up on anything. It basically, like they say, it feels wireless with having a cable. So that is like the perfect blend of my specific use case. Now, one of the other features they like to highlight on this mouse is the Burst Pro's heat-treated pure PTFE glides, which they say will provide a smooth mouse movement right out of the box. And honestly, I'm not sure about all this heat treatment stuff, like all that kind of, that level of, grandeur on these. They work like other gaming mice that I've used, so I was very happy with that. So I'm glad that they put some extra care into those. But to be honest with you, they slide really well, especially on a gaming mouse pad. Very happy with them. Again, don't know what's up with the heat treated stuff or why that's super important. Maybe you guys can can educate me, but overall, very happy with how it slides. But now let's talk about comfort, because comfort and ergonomics on a gaming mouse in particular, on any mouse and basically any computer accessory, especially if you're going to be spending a lot of time with it, ergonomics and design are super critical, and they did a pretty good job here. Now, the new ergonomics with the Burst Pro is a result of really high quality crafting. I feel like they put a lot of thought into how they designed this mount. The moment I got it out, kind of got it all set up and got my hand on there, it definitely felt nice and light, very comfortable, and the claw grip design is really comfortable, especially with those extended gaming sessions. Very happy with the overall feel of the mouse itself. Now, with all of that said, a mouse is only as good as it performs when you're actually playing games. All the specs and the way it feels and what it's made of only get you so far. It comes down to actually playing with it and what it does and how it feels. And I can honestly say that by having used this now quite a bit, I've been putting quite a few hours. I play a lot of Apex Legends, and to be honest with you, I've put it through its paces, and I've had nothing but good things to say about it. The software, pretty solid. I don't do a lot of changes. There's not a lot of things that I altered with it. Very happy with the way it looks, the way it feels. It's very lightweight, especially in comparison to the mouse that I was using before, which was a Logitech, a little bit heavier weighted mouse. I'm very happy with the overall swiftness, how it moves, slides, feels nice and lightweight. And it's just overall really comfortable. But when it comes down to it, I've been really able to game really well. I've been very happy with that across the board. So I would definitely say that if you're looking for a nice gaming mouse that's got all the specs that you would want to expect, it's got the RGB kind of high-end lighting, it's got a really nice slick look, really lightweight, and gets the job done, but not at like a crazy price point. This is a great mouse, very solid option. I'm honestly very happy with the swap that I made here. Again, I was using a mouse that was probably close to double the cost, and feel like I like this one a lot better for just the specific kind of gaming style that I like to use and the way that I like my mouse to feel. So definitely, if you're in the market, definitely consider checking out the ROCCAT Burst Pro wired or wireless. I think you're gonna really enjoy it. But guys, as usual, I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.